I look light skinned in this goddamn camera. Look at these Africans I'm hanging out with. Damn! To Bibb County Sheriff. Big shout out to Bibb County Sheriff for fucking everything up tonight. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you white, so you ain't nothing like no YouTube, what the hell is up, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Tonight we are here at QT in Macon. Hopefully the content gonna be crazy. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, cause we about to get it. Let's get out, let's check some of the cars, let's see what's going on, man. And we'll enjoy ourselves. I got some light on me, even though it's dark and late, but I'm looking good and I'm feeling good, man. So we about to get this thing in. Y'all already know, man. Let's go. Hey, we popped out this bitch, man. I'm gonna show y'all some of the cars. But I don't know if it's GSP or if it's police or who it is. We gonna see, cause I gotta make sure I'm not in none of this shit. And look at this nigga with the red lights.
I can't lie, my bitch sexy as fuck though.
Look at that shit with the red lights on, boy.
That bitch just stand out, bro.
That bitch sexy, alright. That's a sexy speeding ticket, nigga. That's a sexy ticket.
I bitch snatched the nigga head.
Even for the children's sake, can we get our shit together? Crying about the white man, but celebrate when we kill each other. What the fuck y'all rappers doing? How come all y'all arts black? You say fuck the police, so what about all them cops at? The police shoot us dead, they blow it up like we ain't know this shit. I'm sorry to those families, I send my love and condolences. How come y'all ignore us? So this course is on the floor, and when it's yours, killing yours. We leave the house straight out the door, we protesting, but what it's for? We come home and go to war again. Spot them, got them beatbox, knock a nigga dreads off.
How that nigga turn around?
Bro, I gotta get this nigga.
Oh hell no! Hey, we told y'all that shit was gonna get crazy, so I don't know who gonna do what, but somebody gonna do something crazy tonight. Let's see, I think he gonna be the one.
A few moments later.
Oh, Sheriff is here. Sheriff is here. Hey, I told y'all, man, it got thick as fuck. Everybody rolling out. Everybody rolling out. Everybody rolling out that motherfucker, boy. Damn! Nah, everybody rolling out.
Hey, shit, I ain't going nowhere.
Hey, that's what I'm saying, man.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, man.
Here we go, night after night, something after something as always, bro. As y'all can see.
Come on,
Bro, we were so close to having a full video for y'all tonight, man, but big shout out to, hold on, big shout out to Bibb County Sheriff. Big shout out to Bibb County Sheriff for fucking everything up tonight. Yeah, them boys out. Them boys out, man. Damn, y'all, I thought we had it. Bro, everybody taking off, everybody running. Like I said, Bibb County Sheriff in the back. That's how crazy it is, man. And we still doing our thing. We ain't going nowhere. Until I find out where the next spot is, I don't know what it is. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm not about to run off and do nothing stupid, bruh, at all. So I'm gonna see where Brando at, and then we'll pull out and see where everybody else going. It might be a night, it might not be the night, who knows? But look, the lines are long. The lines of cars are long, bro. Everybody out this bitch. Y'all don't know what the move is. Hey, I appreciate it. Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Clean it fuck.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you, bro. Respect to respect, bro. Respect to respect. Alright, let's see, yeah, I'm gonna pull up by Brando then. But let's see what's going on, y'all. Like I said, I don't know what the move is.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Alright, bro. We at the second low. So, like I said, hopefully they're gonna turn up. We're gonna see who else out this motherfucker real quick. That shit should be nice, should be dope. What y'all think? Should I put this hoe on a little bit? What your bitch think? Leave that bitch on a little bit like that? But it's cold as hell, so I'm gonna leave the jacket on, you know what I'm saying? It is summer coming up. Oh shit. But we'll see what's up, man. I feel my neck hurt, my head hurt. I'm too motherfucking old to be out here playing these goddamn games, but let's see what's up, man. Make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe. Oh, I'm gonna beat your kids. Y'all already know what we doing. All right, second low. Like I said, everybody's starting to line that shit up real quick. So we out here, man. We got the purple beast. What they call that shit? The eggplant boys, big cars. And then we got more cars popping out. So we'll see what's up. Bro, I don't know if anybody's gonna do something. There we go. All right, so we need to go ahead and do something real quick. But I look light skinned in this goddamn camera. Look at these Africans I'm hanging out with. Hey, it's all good though. We'll see. Nah. Do what he do. Hey, YouTube, I just want to let y'all know this nigga leaning on my car and his car 2 feet over there. Get your tall ass on your car.
Yeah, brother, really my shit. Bro. I just let him drive it every day for the video.
Nigga.
For y'all video, brother, really my shit.
God damn. On a quick trip.
Probably was.
Hey, this shit comfortable as hell, boy. God damn. Hey, this shit comfortable as hell.
That's a work truck.
That bit wild. Nigga talking about all Dodges. The fuck?
Bro, if you're a millionaire, bro.
Why would you have 3 Dodges in your garage?
I have a red eye Challenger. Go TRX in case you got to tow some shit. And you go look. And you go check out.
That's school bus, minivan, and Greyhound. That's all I.
And it's the fastest in each category. It's the fastest car out the factory.
Fuck no. The highest numbers, sure. The highest numbers.
Any Chevy out the factory.
Z06 will eat that shit up. Z06 will eat that shit up off the line. Z06 will eat that shit up, man. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Hey, niggas get 10K and call out of work.
Bro,
niggas get 10K.
It's 12 o'clock in the morning, bro.
It's truck.
Truck driver. I ain't no truck driver. I'm a janitor.
Janitor?
That's right, baby. I just bought this truck straight cash. And I got enough cigarettes to last me and my family for the rest of our lives. I'm rich, bitch!
I see the grind. It's 12 o'clock in the morning. We still getting y'all niggas content.
Hell yeah.
That's give you another reason to subscribe to the channel.
Telling you, bro. We got. I'm getting my 10-15 minutes. Oh, hey, let's check this out real quick, man. This might be a 6. Yeah, that bitch thick. This might be a Z06, man. It just might be. Yeah, this shit hard.
I just got it Thursday.
Oh, that jump hard.
Yeah, this.
I did that matte black go good. Everybody chew carbon.
We know this is Z06, so this is wide, man. It's wide. Oh no, that's not. But it's nice. Yes, sir. That shit nice. The rest of the move is for the night, y'all. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm hungry as hell. Your boy need to eat. I need some food. I need some substance, okay? I can't spell the word, but I need some motherfucking substance. And Brando gone already. I'm fucking freezing. I can't feel my toes. My fingers cold. All that shit.
She say I got the big energy, fuck who ain't feeling me. I pull up in a bulletproof truck like it's a limousine. I'm having that bag, it's on the floor like it's a centipede. I'm calling around, I need some more, I'm having kids to feed. I want no problem, shout out to all the single women and my baby mamas. The world is yours, even if I ever play with you, won't play about you. And know one thing, whatever a nigga say, he won't say around me. I'm known to swing, and the niggas I keep around me, they don't play about me. Move smooth, I'm fucking this bitch, he tryna find out, he better get Blue's Clues. He fucking my bitch too, fuck, let's call it a lose-lose. I fuck around flash shop with one of y'all niggas on the news, dude. So keep you cool, dude. I'm telling you, you been around me lately and seen the crib, it's hellable. If I could vibe with her and keep it real, I schedule her. She like to talk shit when we getting it in and look me dead in my eyes whenever she suck my dick like no teeth is in. I'm scared of her. Nigga.